Today I will be showing you some easy Madhubani cards. Here I use acrylic colors and marker pen to complete these paintings. Madhubani painting is one of the most famous art forms that originated in India. Madhubani or Mithila painting is a folk painting of North India. It includes pictures of nature and mythology to depict different life cycles. These paintings were usually created by women on walls and floors of homes during festivals and special occasions. They usually include natural elements like moon, sun, fish, etc. Beginners can try using these elements to make a card. Use bright colors like red, yellow and orange for sun and blue shades for moon. Make the paintings and pastel tone color shades to make beautiful cards. These are some easy geometrical and floral patterns you can use to fill the gaps. They usually highlight the outlines. Flowers can be made easily using this technique. Madhubani district in Bihar is famous for their traditional Mithila art or Bithi Chitra. The history of Madhubani painting is said to date back to the time of Ramayana, when King Janaka asked the artist to capture his daughter Sita's wedding. Madhubani paintings are characterized by figures that are prominently outlined. You can see these double lines in almost all Madhubani paintings. Human figures are made with eyes highlighted, bulging fish-like eyes mostly, and pointed noses. No space is left empty. The gaps are filled by paintings of leaves, flowers, birds and animals. You can see these types of geometrical designs in Madhubani. You can make the border also using these designs. These are some easy border designs. Traditional painting is done with a variety of tools including fingers, twigs, brushes, nib pens, matchsticks, etc. Natural colors made from leaves, flowers, charcoal, turmeric, sandalwood and pigments are used to color it. They make the base color using the paste of powdered rice. Social events like weddings, scenes from royal court, etc. are widely painted. Women decorate their house walls and doors to seek God's blessings for peace and prosperity on different events like birth, marriage, and cycles of life. this art on fabric, pots, tea coasters, trays to enhance their beauty. Thank you for watching.